Today I'm going to the thrifting store. We call it in the province Ukay Ukay. Um, in the Ukay Ukay, you can buy clothes like dress, shorts, blouse, t-shirts, jackets, panties, and bras. Funny, but it's true. So I want to show you what it looks like there in the province, and I'm very excited. I usually go to the thrifting store because it's more cheaper than in the mall, and it looks as new, so it's good quality also. So I'm very excited, and actually this my short is from thrifting store today, so I will want to show you what it looks like. It's my short. I bought this one like 35 pesos. It's not see-through, it's nice. This one is nice. Imagine in your 35 pesos, you get a nice shorts. See? A nice quality. My bag is ready to go to the thrifting store and my scooter with me. So see you. I hope you're watching my videos. Gosh, so cute. Cardigan. Chanel Imagine Brown. Oh, only 36. Sino ko mag-upload words? Kita natin. Ating upload sa Nika. Ating ma-upload sa... Let's go. Go to Chibela. Yung pala, compassion. Home. Hello, I'm checking my jackfruit. This is jackfruit. Oh, wow. Hello, young lang. Hello. I'm at home now. I got five clothes from thrifting store. One, two, three, four, and five. So see ya. Hello. This is the dress. The first dress I bought. This one is only 50 pesos. 50 pesos, you got a nice dress like this. Next dress. Oh, I love this one. It's cute. This is only also 50 pesos. Imagine. See? It's very cute. And this is it here. Next, this skirt. This skirt is only 50 pesos. It's very cute. There's two pocket here. See? Next. Oh, and it's so cute. This one is so cute. This one is only 50 pesos. Yeah, it's pretty cute. See? So next, this is the cardigan. The brand this one is H&M. Actually, the price this one is 65 pesos, but I asked the person there, the person to mark down to 60 pesos. So I got it for only 60 pesos. It's very cute. See? So if I buy this one in the like 800 pesos. So in the thrifting, I got only this one for 60 pesos. So it's more cheaper and it looks new. Imagine it's new. Looks new. No damage. So it's very cute. So I like this. And imagine. Cute. Very cute. Thank you. Finally, I'm done. I'm sweating. I'm sorry. It's hot. So about the thrifting clothes, for the two dress, it cost me 100 pesos. For two skirt, also 100 pesos, and one cardigan for 60 pesos. So the total is 260 pesos. Imagine that one. I got five clothes. I got five clothes for only 260 pesos. No damage, no dents, no flows. It looks as new. So I'm very happy I got and I saved money. So thank you for watching my YouTube. I hope you enjoy my thrifting store trip today. I'm sorry I got bruise here. It's painful. Thank you so much and God bless you all.